You're gonna speak to people in the high places. You're gonna speak to people, your bosses, your colleagues. You're gonna transform their lives. You're gonna speak Jesus into their lives. First time kong maka-experience na may mag-prophesy sa akin. As a fresh graduate, tinatanong ko sa Diyos kung ano bang panawagan yung gusto niyang palakaran sa akin. Then I received these two words, speak out. Ngayon na nasa marketplace ako, naniniwala ako na dito ako gustong gamitin ni God who wants me to shine His light. With boldness and faith, I will speak out.
The mission trip in Cavite was really an incredible experience for me. Nung time na yon, akala ko nandun lang ako just to minister. But then, God really moves from glory to glory. Nung nag-worship lead na ako, I really felt that the Holy Spirit is inside of me. I felt like kneeling, I felt like crying because sobrang hindi talaga ng pagmamahal ni Lord and yung Spirit niya that time. Hindi ko naramdaman yung pagod after namin mag-serve. We were just singing and praising the Lord throughout the trip hanggat makauwi kami because I believe that in His presence there is peace, there is rest, and there is joy. I'm really thankful for this church for exposing me to this kind of ministry because I believe that through these experiences, this will lead me to know more about God as well as to love and serve other people.
Marami akong experience and learnings in our Bible study class. Isa na dito is yung mas nakilala ko yung sarili ko as a child of God and also mas lumalim ako spiritually. Hindi lang spiritually pero through that, mas nakita ko yung pagbabago in my attitude in decision making. Every time na meron kaming Bible study, I always thank the Lord that He is molding me to be a good servant and a deeply rooted Christian.
Mahalaga ang pundasyon ng isang simbahan. Makikita natin ang tibay ng isang simbahan hindi sa dami ng tao na kaya nitong dalhin sa loob, pero sa kung gaano kadaming disciples yung kaya nitong i-send out. Pag tama ang pundasyon, darating ang kongregasyon. Lalago, lalawak, lalaki ang magagawa natin para sa ating community. If we can send out people who will love them, care about them, who will find needs and meet it, then we can bring them to Christ.